The human endocrine system consists of endocrine glands that secrete chemical messengers or hormones directly into the bloodstream. You have already learnt about these endocrine glands and the hormones that they secrete. However, did you know that along with its vital role in blood circulation, the human heart also has an endocrine function? Yes, and it is not only the heart. There are other organs in the human body that secrete hormones too. Out of these, the pineal gland and the thymus are considered to be the major endocrine glands. The other organs play vital roles in other physiological processes in the body. However, they produce hormones as well. The pineal gland, also known as the third eye, is a small, pinnacle-shaped endocrine gland located in the human brain. The pineal body is located in the epithalamus of the brain and is attached by a slim stalk to the roof of the third ventricle. The pineal body secretes the hormone melatonin. Melatonin regulates the body's sleep-wake cycle. It is responsible for setting the body's biological clock. During sleep, the plasma levels of melatonin rise, and they decline just before a person awakens. Melatonin is thus called the hormone of darkness. Did you know that the hormone melatonin is administered to cure jet lag, which often afflicts people when they travel across different time zones? Thymus is both an endocrine gland and a lymphatic organ. It is a bilobed organ that is located between the lungs and just above the heart. The thymus gland is fairly large during childhood, but it begins to atrophy during puberty. The thymus secretes the hormone thymosin, which promotes maturation of T lymphocytes, which fight certain diseases. Thus, the thymus gland is critical to the development of the immune system. The heart, the most vital organ of human circulation, is located in the rib cage, in between the lungs. Internally, the heart is divided into 4 chambers: left atrium, left ventricle, and right ventricle. When there is an increase in blood pressure, the atrial wall of the heart secretes a hormone named atrial natriuretic factor, ANF. Atrial natriuretic factor, being a powerful vasodilator, causes widening of blood vessels, thus lowering the blood pressure. In an attempt to lower blood pressure, the ANF acts on the kidneys and increases the loss of sodium and water in urine. Loss of sodium in urine is called natriuresis. This action of the hormone gives it the name atrial natriuretic factor. The human body possesses a pair of kidneys which are vital organs of the human excretory system. The 2 kidneys are located just below the rib cage on either side of the vertebral column. The 11th and 12th pairs of ribs partially protect the kidneys. Each kidney consists of around 1 million complex tubular structures called nephrons. The nephron is the basic functional unit of the kidney. The juxtaglomerular cells in the nephrons secrete the hormone erythropoietin. This hormone plays a role in the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow. The gastrointestinal tract is part of the human digestive system and is broadly subdivided into stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. The first section of the small intestine is the duodenum. The duodenum connects the stomach to the small intestine. The specialized cells in the stomach and the duodenum secrete a hormone called gastrin, which regulates stomach acid secretion. The hormone gastrin stimulates the release of hydrochloric acid and the digestive enzyme pepsin into the stomach cavity and increases gastric motility, which aids in digestion. The duodenum counterbalances the release of acid by secreting another hormone, secretin. Secretin stimulates the pancreas to release acid-neutralizing bicarbonate ions in water. When partially digested fat and protein-rich food enter the duodenum, the cells in that region secrete a peptide hormone called cholecystokinin, abbreviated as CCK. Cholecystokinin acts on the pancreas to release pancreatic enzymes. Cholecystokinin also stimulates gallbladder contractions to release stored bile. The pancreatic juice and bile together bring about digestion of fats and proteins in the intestine. Did you know that cholecystokinin acts on the brain and mediates satiety? It thus gives the stop eating signal when the stomach is full. Another hormone secreted by the duodenum is the gastric inhibitory peptide, GIP. This hormone blocks gastrin and gastric acid secretion into the stomach and inhibits gut motility.